There was probably 2 days left before high school ended, and my counselor came up to me and asked me what I was doing after school, and I had no idea. She pulled me in her office and talked to me about RAMP, and I've never looked back.
The partnership with Clinton Community College and the Institute for Advanced Manufacturing is a natural partnership with RAMP. These are local students who are graduating from our local high schools. We want to keep them in the area. We want to expose them to all the opportunity that is here, and that includes education. This micro-credential course in advanced manufacturing, that's a good way to dip your toe in what education can look like.
This RAMP program will prepare students for more school at Clinton if they really want to. It'll prepare them for life at home. Maybe they just want some more hands-on kind of handyman knowledge. Or if they want to go to an industry, this supplies them with the basic knowledge to enter in.